As a technician, I figured out pretty quickly there are only so many hours in a day, and with so much to do, I need to stay productive, especially if I want to get home to my family at the end of the day. I also learned the hard way that overloading my truck or sacrificing tools to stay underweight is a bad idea. Payload space and weight are critical to ensure I have the proper tools to get the job done. And let's face it, if my truck or equipment fails, I'm missing deadlines that could impact the overall project timeline and cause my customer and company to lose money. I need reliable equipment that I can depend on when I need it the most. The Bobcat 200 Air Pak frees up a lot of space on my truck by combining multiple capabilities into one lighter weight, compact, and reliable machine. The Bobcat 200 Air Pak includes a 30 CFM rotary screw compressor for air on demand. It can deliver up to 100 amps of DC power for 12 and 24 volt charging and up to 300 amps for crank assist. It powers 120 and 240 volt AC needs with its 6500 watt generator. It has a 210 amp inverter-based welder that delivers a smooth, stable arc, and it's capable of MIG, DC TIG, and stick welding, so I'm ready for anything. And it comes in gas or diesel, so I don't have to worry about carrying separate fuel types. The Bobcat 200 Air Pak really helps me get the most productivity out of every drop of fuel. Instead of a noisy engine running at full speed all day, AutoSpeed automatically adjusts the engine speed to meet weld and battery charge demands. Plus, the air compressor operates at 2 speeds, which gives me 20 CFM of air at idle. I can get more done between fill-ups, and it makes my work area a lot quieter, which is not only more pleasant, but also safer. At the end of the day with a Miller, it's about reliability. The Bobcat 200 Air Pak is ready to work when I am and allows me to be more productive throughout the day so that I still have time and energy after I clock out. The Bobcat 200 Air Pak from Miller. It's built to help technicians like me who know firsthand that time is money. Go all in with an all-in-one.